So I'm gonna get straight to the point on what's next for the car. New fender, even though this is new, that gap is pretty noticeable. I don't know if you can see. And then I think it's also hitting over here on the hood. Kind of rusted already. No, you can't really see, but it's tapping right here. So that's why I'm installing the blue one, if you saw in the thumbnail, and then the door, well, for obvious reasons. It's all dent. It's mostly at an angle. Since it's black, you can't really see it, but also this fender is dent. Got another angle. So we gotta fix that. We have that already, the door and the fender. The back fender, can't fix it. It's welded on, so I gotta take it to the shop. And then the back too is also dented, but I gotta kind of show it at an angle. There we go, kind of right there. It's like a little swoop. Mom hit it on accident, which is alright. And then for the paint job, that will happen soon when everything else is already installed. But I don't know what these are called, diffusers? No, I forgot. But I'm gonna get carbon fiber, whatever this is called. Carbon fiber mirrors, maybe carbon fiber door handles, but I don't know. Might just paint it black instead, like to the shop to color match it, or make it darker, like a darker black than the darker I'm gonna get. Yeah. And then for the front, I'll be finally be painting all black. Hopefully they can fix this with a little bit of bondo, just sand it down. Same over here. Damn. And then you already know about the exhaust. I got test pipes and a Tomei, but I also want the white pipe because it's already leaking. It's kind of broken. See if I can show y'all. Oh, gotta flip it around. I think it's on the side, but it's already leaking because it says the car's too low, so it's gonna hit. It always hits. So I ripped it. So now I have a little leak. You can hear the exhaust from right there and over here. Kind of weird. And also got these free wheels at work, like not too long ago, like 2 weeks ago. Free Volkswagen wheels. I didn't pay a single dime. I just asked my boss if I can keep them. I said, yeah, why not? Maybe use them as burnout tires, you know, cause I still gotta, still gotta fix the engine. It still leaks oil. Dang it. But I still got these maybe later on in the future, cause I also gotta fix the transmission. It's not strong enough to hold to do burnouts at all. I can't even do a burnout. I still got the computer in it. I gotta remove the computer, little switch that goes in the middle. But yeah, that's it for right now. Until later on, I'll update y'all more on the Z. I was just about to end the video, but I'm hungry and I want chips, so we're gonna go for a little drive to the store, which is like right across from me. Also, the interior, that's gonna be till the very end of the build. I'm trying to focus on the outside first, and then the engine, and then, well, you know, the interior, which I don't know what to do to the interior yet. I haven't had much thought of it, except for like maybe the dash. I wanted purple gauges, more right here. That's later on when I think it's Pro Charge that I'm going for, maybe turbo. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go for a turbo. Alright, here we go, cool start. Or not. Did I drive it today? I don't remember. Hold on. Alright, time to go to the store real quick. Boom, got the stuff. And I'll try to drive back home and just go to sleep because I have work tomorrow. 11 to 4. Which is 4 hours, I think. No, wait, hold on. 11:30 to 2:30. Which is 4 hours. There we go, yeah. That's my time. Alright. That's it for today's video. All I got was... Alright. Hold on. Alright. Yeah, I can show y'all real quick what I got. Nutella. These are good. Y'all shall get it for sure. And then this munchies that I didn't want to get, so I just got this thing. It's mixed of, mostly wanted hot Cheetos, but also pretzels, so I just got this. Same thing. I say y'all actually get these. These are actually pretty good. Hold on. Hey, look, it got chocolate in it. Nutella. Alright, that's the end today.